Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start with fast, essential checks so you don't chase the wrong cause. First, make sure your battery is above 20% and you've backed up photos. Sudden shutdowns ruin diagnostics. Next, reboot into safe mode to see if third-party apps cause flicker, hold power, long press power off, select safe mode. If the flicker disappears, note the offending apps. Once done, return to normal mode and prepare to test display settings and drivers. Now you'll adjust system controls that commonly cause flicker. Disable adaptive brightness and set a fixed refresh rate. Inconsistent sensors or high refresh rates can conflict with apps. Go to Settings System Updates and install any display driver or firmware patches. If a recent update caused it, use rollback where available. Clear cache for the display compositor and suspect apps, then uninstall recently added apps one at a time to finish by eliminating persistent issues and planning next steps. If software attempts fail, perform a factory reset only after backing up, because this removes firmware-level corruption. Check hardware. Test the phone with the original charger and try an external display or cast to see whether the GPU or LCD is failing. Flex or mild screen pressure can reveal loose connectors. If flicker persists, document when it occurs and bring the device to a service center. This single troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.